Hi guys, so today we are doing a favorite blush technique video. I'm going to be showcasing some of my favorite techniques straight off the runway, and I'm using all of my fave Chanel products. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So to begin, we prepped my skin using the Hydra Beauty Essence Mist and the Water Fresh Tint, which is Chanel's new foundation. It's ultra sheer. It is a pigment suspended in serum, so it gives you a beautiful dewy sheer coverage. So this is the Chanel Universal Powder. I absolutely love to use a fairly small brush like this to powder so that you get absolute control in placement. Tap off the excess and then apply onto the hot spots using a small brush. This is the powder blush in Rose Initial. What I love about the powder blush formula is that it's really subtle sheer color that is buildable, and it has a little bit of a glow, so you get that natural lit from within look. So we are going to do a sporty blush today. I'm going to start off using the Soleil Tan De Chanel, which is the most amazing universal bronzer. And we're just going to use that to sculpt a little bit. To get the healthy sporty look, I'm using the Beiges Healthy Glow Stick, and the shade is number 23. This I'm going to apply using a angled brush, and I'm going to apply the color a little bit lower on the cheek, almost where your skin would naturally flush if you've just run up a flight of stairs or done a little jog. And then if you want to add something extra, a little bit of sporty hydration to the skin, I'm going to use the Baume Essentiel in Sculpting, and we're just going to use our fingertips to pat a little bit onto the high end of the cheekbone to really cheat that almost teenage sweaty skin. So now let's dial up the fashion. I'm sure all of you saw the Met Gala. Chloe Moretz Grace wore this incredible blush that actually started from the corner of her eye. This is something that we've seen on the runways for many seasons, and particularly last season at Kenzo. So let's give it a bash. We're going to be using the Chanel Le Beige Healthy Glow Sticks in blush number 25. Let's go back in with the Baume Essential to give it a really beautiful glow.